A parallel beam of light of wavelength lambda. On parallel beam of light is there, that wavelength it is represented by the lambda is incident normally on a narrow slit. On narrow slit, it will be fall normally, that's perpendicular to the narrow slit. A diffraction pattern is formed. Okay. On a screen placed perpendicular to the direction of the incident beam. One diffraction pattern is formed where it is perpendicular to the direction of the incident beam. At the second minimum of the diffraction pattern, the phase difference between the rays coming from the two edges of slit is at second minimum diffraction pattern need to find here. We know that for the second minimum, the path difference that is the 2 lambda. But the path difference is 2 lambda. Then, therefore, the corresponding value of the phase difference is, we know that the phase difference that is a delta phi is equal to 2 pi divided by lambda into the path difference. Here the path difference is 2 lambda. Then if I am going to cancel this lambda and the lambda, then delta phi is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 pi is our answer. Option number C is our right answer.